Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to unboxing the laptop model Asus L150. Okay, now I open. Okay, this is a memory micro SD slot, and this is a USB 2.0, and this side have the HDMI port and one more USB and USB Type-C, and now have port OJ45. Okay, now have we buy the one and plug in with a Type-C or USB 2.0. Okay, this is the model. Okay, and now we go to take the important spec together. Okay, this is a laptop within the CPU Intel Celeron and 40 and 20. Okay, 1.10 GHz and 4K, and memory DDR4 4 GB, and display Intel UHD graphic 2600, and have two USB port and storage ASD 128, and have the key light and kilo 1.15 kilogram, and battery 42 HWH, and have the 3 cell, and have webcam, and the color star color, only one the color. We can install the Windows 10 and Windows 11. Okay, now we going to test the outside with me together. Okay.
Lớn nhạc vang của em kìa.
Now the end, no more the can you. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like and share. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye bye.